Punta tayo dun sa kabila. Hi everyone! Welcome back dito sa ating vlog, and for today's video we will be having a girls day out with our baby girl. Nag-start na tayo sa bagong series natin, Homebody in PH. Gusto ko sanang Homebody in Baguio, pero located ako sa Trinidad. So, parang hindi siya nagme-make sense. I need to explain, ganyan. Just for YouTube algorithm purposes. So, mas general yung title natin. I really appreciate those comments na nababasa ko dito sa channel natin. And kung may mga gusto kayong makita dito sa vlog natin, like cooking, cleaning, or anything, since we are staying home, just comment down below and I will be checking them out. Actually, nagbabasta talaga ako ng mga comments lately kasi may time nga tayo. And tapos ko nang i-process yung mga kailangan kong i-process and gawin. So, yung project natin is staying home and doing some vlogs. So, I hope hindi kayo naboboard dito sa vlogs natin. Especially that parang paulit-ulit siya in a way, but I'll try my best na hindi siya maging boring. Lately, I was thinking na if we have some cafe hopping or travel outside, I try my best na mini vlog on our Facebook account. So, you can follow me on my social media accounts. So, tara guys! Okay. Guys, we're done with this side ng landscape. Then punta tayo dun sa kabila. And ayan guys, ang ganda ng panahon. Hopefully okay yung lighting natin. But ayan, ang gaganda ng mga entries today. Tulog ang baby girl. And I'm glad kasi makaka-photoshoot muna tayo before anything else. Gone. So maglakad tayo. And let's go to find something spot. Pwede tayong umupo. Mangga. For the spot, balikan natin yung pinakaunang vlog natin na andito tayo sa may Burnham. So, the only thing today na iba is meron na si baby. Who's this? Hey, Dana! It's a grass! Wow! Wow! Yan, mag-antay tayo ng taxi. Punta tayo dun sa may Foam Coffee dito sa may Ligarda na branch. May branch din kasi sila dito sa may baba lang ng City Hall. So, punta tayo doon. Gising ng ating baby girl. Oops! Manong enjoy man Foam Coffee. Dito nga yung Ligarda nga branch. Take a video and find a seat. Let's order. Isang bulldog tapa. Tapos, sa Kyoto Matcha Latte.
Per day po.
Per day.
Kyoto Matcha Latte.
Ba't ang matcha latte?
Pwede po. Anything else po?
Isa lang ang option nyo dun sa sa donut.
Saan?
Donut.
Ma'am, sa taas po yung donuts po.
Okay.
Bali, pwede rin po kayo pumili ng donuts sa taas po.
Doon na lang ako. So, yan na lang muna for now.
470 pesos. Number 50 na. Thank you, ma'am.
Nandito na tayo sa may Foam Coffee and we're having a great time with baby girl. So, guys, may 2 hours na limit sila for paggamit ata ng charging ports for laptops. Ganyan. So, good thing dito is pwede kayong tumambay. And maganda din yung ambience niya. And let's wait for our order. So, ayan, sometimes maganda talaga na magkaroon ng time, especially for moms, para may iwasan din natin sa postpartum depression. Kasi minsan, if we don't have a me time with them, we will really experience those things. And so far, we're coping good. And also, we took this time to have a me time with our baby girl. Of course, hindi pwedeng iwanan siya. So, ang me time na natin is with our little one. So, guys, samahan nyo kami for our day. Okay lang siya. Let's eat pork bulgogi and then matcha. What's this? Suka. Was taking a time to rest. Tapos na kami dito and medyo maingay sa labas so hindi tayo makapagsalita ng maayos. But anyway, ayun guys, mag-toilet lang tayo of course. And then we will be walking until sa paradahan ng jeep. Kasi walking distance lang talaga dito. From Burnham, pwede ninyong lakarin kung gusto nyo. Pero kapag tinatamad kayo, mag-taxi na kayo. So, ayan. So nice. And our baby girl is so patiently waiting again. With a smile. So, yun yung girls' date natin. So, ituloy natin ang kwentuhan kapag nasa bahay na tayo. Say hi! Maglakad na tayo. Papuntang paradahan. So, yung sinasabi kong daan na pahiwalay, papuntang Coated Cafe pala. Here. Medyo wala lang talagang designated na daanan ng tao kapag nasa baba na tayo. Si Angel's Pizza. We're here. Oh yes! Nadaan tayo dito sa may market. What to expect kung meron kayo dito?
But more activities to come very soon kasi this month is flower festival. Season ng flowers to bloom.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream. Now it's real.
So, I hope na napanood nyo hanggang dulo. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog that day, but as I was editing itong video na to, nakita ko na parang medyo may kulang. So, ayan. I just want to thank you guys for supporting this channel from the start. Since wala pa tayong work, I am trying to do more vlogs kung kaya ko. Ang medyo nahihirapan lang talaga ako is dun sa editing na part. Ang ginagawa ko is sinisingit ko siya kung kailan tulog si baby. Pero minsan kasi parang napapagod din ako. So, ayun. Hindi naman ako nagre-reklamo. But I'm doing also these videos, especially na parang in this season where I am in is not permanent. Hindi naman ako always na parang nasa bahay lang ganyan. I know that someday kung may redirection of our journey, we will be doing some other things. But as we stay home as a first-time mom, I'm navigating things na dahan-dahan, but I'm learning in every day. And kung kayo ay isang mom din or first-time mom or stay-home mom, don't be discouraged kasi medyo nakaka-stress talaga na from something na may ginagawa tayo to parang nakulong tayo dito. But I'm trying to make my time, I'm trying to make this season na parang hindi siya dapat boring or I experience yung nag-stay home, but I have to enjoy also this season where I am. So I'm trying to see the brighter side, but I am not saying na everything is okay, everything is masaya ganyan. There are really times na umiiyak din ako. Hindi ko din alam. Siguro with our hormones, ganyan. So, this time, I'm really happy that I still have this channel. It helps me to voice out kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Parang, may mga online friends ako, ganyan. Kasi yung mga friends ko, nasa work sila and iba-iba yung countries kung saan sila. So, wala nang meetups. Si Lexi na lang. Hi, Lexi. But anyway, I understand naman kasi iba-iba tayo ng season where we are. But I'm taking this time to really navigate things. Together, sasama ko kayo. Ano na to? Damay-damay na tayo, guys. Our messy bed. Are you happy? She just woke up. Oy! Say hi! Wow! I really wanted also to do other stuff, fun stuff. But of course, kailangan nating i-consider lagi na meron si baby girl. So, yun lang guys. And that's all for this video. And thank you so much for watching up till this moment. Nakikita ko talaga na may mga tumatapos sa video natin kasi naglalagay ako dun sa ng comment, this one. So nakikita ko guys kung pinapanood nyo hanggang dulo kasi may mga nagko-comment and may mga naman, siguro based on the title ganyan, may comments sila. But anyway, happy naman ako na tinatapos nyo para hindi din sayang yung effort natin. Wow! Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you on our next one.